What's up guys, it's Mr. Roy here from All Around Review, and today I'll be talking about the brand new Oraimo Watch 6. This is the latest addition to Oraimo's smartwatch lineup, which also includes the Watch 6N and the Watch 6 Nano. The Watch 5 was a success, so the big question here is, did Oraimo really improve things with the Watch 6? And most importantly, did they fix the bugs we faced on the Watch 5? Well, let's find out. Right now it sells for around 25,900 naira or about $18 depending on where you are buying it from. And if you plan on getting this one for yourself, don't forget to use my 5% coupon code displayed on the screen or in this video description. It works for any Oraimo product on their official store. I already did a full unboxing video of the Watch 6 where I showed everything that comes in the box. So if you want to see that, you can check it out. But yeah, let's look straight into the real life experience of using this Watch 6. Starting with the design, the bezels are slimmer compared to older Oraimo watches, which gives it a more modern look. The body is built from ABS, PC and zinc alloy, so it feels solid and sits comfortably on the wrist. The strap is your standard silicone type and you can strap it easily if you want a different style. Oraimo even includes an extra strap in the box, and if silicone isn't your thing, you can get a stainless steel strap directly from their store. A key improvement here is water resistance. The Watch 6 comes with an IP68 rating, which means it can handle accidental immersion, swimming in shallow water and heavy rain. The Watch 5 on the other hand only had a 1 ATM rating, which was limited to splashes and light rain. And with the design covered, let's move on to the screen you'll be interacting with every day. The Watch 6 packs a big 2.04 inches TFT full touch display. This is one of the biggest on an Oraimo smartwatch. It's great for reading notifications, checking stats, or even dialing directly from your wrist. Indoors, it looks bright enough, but under harsh sunlight, you may need to tilt your wrist for better visibility. Navigation is straightforward with swipe gestures for notifications, apps, and settings. The UI is smooth most of the time, though you might notice the occasional lag when scrolling, which is nothing major. Now that we have talked about the display, let's see what features and health tools this Watch 5 actually brings to the table. So right here you get all the essentials here. Heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, sleep tracking, music control, weather forecast, and activity records. Oraimo also claims support for over 105 sports modes. For casual fitness, it's reliable enough, even if not 100% as precise as professional trackers. Another cool feature is the AI-powered watch faces, which you can customize through the Oraimo Health app. It also works with both Android and iOS, and even comes with a voice assistant. You can change the menu style via the watch display setting if you don't like it, but the feature that really caught my attention is Bluetooth calling. You can make and receive calls directly on the watch and it syncs with your contacts. The speaker is loud indoor but struggles in noisy environments. The mic is fine for quick calls, but I wouldn't even rely on it for a long conversations.
Welcome to Home Customer Care. Global wealth felicitates the good people of Nigeria on this great occasion of our Independence Day celebration. Let us continue to work together to make Nigeria...
Connectivity is strong thanks to the Bluetooth 5.3. I didn't face any random disconnection, and the Oraimo Health app does a solid job of synchronizing health data and workouts. The only slight annoyance is how loud the ringtone can be, but you can get used to it. Of course, all these features means nothing if the battery can't keep up, so let's talk about the endurance. Oraimo promises up to 8 days of use and about 30 days on standby, and my usage came close to that. With notifications on, health tracking and calls, I averaged around 6 days before recharging. The 300 mAh battery takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Not the fastest, but given the endurance, it's not a deal breaker. So after using it every day, here's what my experience has been like. Day-to-day use has been mostly positive. It helps me to stay off my phone a bit more since I can quickly check messages or answer calls from my wrist. The fitness tracking is good enough for casual users and the improved battery life really stands out. On the Watch 5 there were annoying issues like random disconnection, inaccurate step counting and the screen not always waking up when you twisted your wrist. On the Watch 6 I haven't noticed any of those bugs, so it feels more polished overall. Now, the only downsides are the average call speaker quality and the TFT display struggling outdoors, but considering the price, those are compromises I can live with. So in terms of conclusion, the Oraimo Watch 6 is a solid choice if you are looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch with a large display, reliable health tracking, and Bluetooth calling. If you're already using the Watch 5 or Watch 5 Lite, the upgrade isn't massive apart from the bigger screen and better water resistance. But if you are new to Oraimo smartwatches, the Watch 6 is a great place to start. So don't forget, if you plan on getting one for yourself, make sure to use my 5% coupon code displayed on the screen or in this video description. It works for any Oraimo product on their official store. So that's it for this review. Thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Roy and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.